Hey, this is Wendy from Science-yHairBlog talking about bond repair, hair DIY. Yes, we can. This is hair on the outside. Fantastic. This is the inside of hair, the protein with its structural bonds, the intact bonds of the orange dots. So there's some broken bonds here as a result of things our hair experiences. Some of the proteins in hair can destabilize if there's damage, sunshine, heat styling, highlights, hair color, longer length, any of those things. Bond repair is about asking, can we put something in there that prevents broken bonds from destabilizing? Some of these products are really expensive. We put a high market value on bond repair because it's about hair health. But just because new ingredients get the attention in marketing doesn't make them the only options. Sugars in homemade treatments or in products address the same problems that more expensive bond repair products address, like strength and elasticity. And I'll be posting a recipe and other stuff on the blog this week. What if we could do bond repair in hair for less than $1? This one is pretty amazing. See you soon.